Welcome again to Bodge with Brian. The object of this film, this time, is a little bit more serious than what I've done before. I had a script, but I'm going to try and put my emotions across to you in the way that I'm used to and you're used to seeing me film. YouTube have changed the rules that affect our channel. It's because somebody has done something very stupid and put some really horrible content out to young minds whose minds may well have been affected by the content. Advertisers have reacted to that, YouTube have reacted to the advertisers. Net result, YouTube come out with new rules. The new rules don't affect the people who put this stuff on because they generate high volumes of traffic. They have actually made the new rules which affect small operators like ourselves. It's unfair. We can only talk about YouTube to YouTube and say it is unfair, but the net result is channel such as ours may very well change, and I'm sorry if that's the case, but hey, it may be still worth watching Bodge with Brian if YouTube don't make it difficult to, and we need more subscribers. We've got 500 now, YouTube saying we need 1,000. Hey, let's see what we can do. Thank you again for watching with Brian, and don't forget, it isn't wrong to subscribe.